I'm Jesse Johnson. This is our universe, the universe, beyond age, beyond ageless. There is a point where viewpoints, all forms, assumptions, presumptions, conjectures, opinions, beliefs, hypotheses, theories, and even knowledge and knowing comes to an end. Knowing, in the usual sense, is made or dependent on memory. No memory, no knowing. Knowing as well as experience are structures. No structures, no knowing, no experience. Time and or space are not realities in and of itself, but are of the mind and consciousness. This universe can be intuited, but never grasped. To intuit takes extremely complex ordered systems, such as trees, cats, flowers, pigs, chickens, ourselves, fish of all kinds, etc. Most humans take their intuition to be what reality is. It is not. You intuit first because you are here. Know you, know universe as it appears to you. At the ultimate base of all bases, and the base, fundamental base, this universe, or whatever it is, does not exist, nor non-exist. This is the ultimate truth. We will begin with A. Number 1, spiritual. Time, space, or time and space are not reality, but tools of the mind and consciousness. They are memory constructs of an accurate and precise rendition of an intuitive universe, producing from it an actuality created by the mind and its mechanics. Number 2, spiritual. The universe at its ultimate base, ineffable, beyond all words, all languages, all and every form of structure, form of and structure of communication. Number 3, spiritual, indeterminable, beyond possible, beyond impossible, impossible to inherently know in the true sense of knowing, because we are not true knowing beings. Number 4, physical or physics. The universe is the total, inclusive of all, every, omni, pan, any, and completely of all matters, things, etc. Number 5, physical or physics. Our universe is one. Even if there are 10 to the 1,000,000th power of universes, it is still one unit. 6, physical or physics. Our universe, Earth, stars, stationary and wandering, such as Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, etc. Cosmic electric fields, cosmic size magnetic fields, atoms, subatoms, life, non-life, etc. This is our universe in that sense. Number 7, finity is a whole without parts. Infinity is without every limit, and so is not a whole, but is also without parts. Number 8, our basic universe is, physically speaking, a few dozens of thousands of miles in radius, not light years. Light years do not exist as an aspect of our small, relatively speaking, our small universe, and not necessarily spherical. We'll go to B. Number 1, physical or physics. Age of the universe. We will first start with conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed. The universe is composed of 100% energy. This universe cannot be created nor destroyed. The universe never came into existence and can never go out. Number 2, physics. The universe cannot be referenced. It takes a minimum of 2 points, spatially or time, to reference anything. The universe is 1 point, is the totality of all outsides, and has no outside. Number 3, spiritual. The universe is transcended and beyond mechanics. Number 4, physics. Our universe is a singularity, so-called happening at one spontaneous now moment, calculus derivative, one durationless non-time instantaneous moment, one simultaneous moment for all and everything and non-thing there is and is not. We will go to C, spiritual. This universe, or whatever so-called it is, as a non-mechanical case, is infinity minus 1, or near infinity infinitum minus 1 infinitesimal near infinity. We will go to 1, spiritual. Nature has no true independent duality boundaries, only processes with limitations produced by several dozen dimensions. Nature has no outlines. The mind that interprets and infers does. We will go to number 2, physical. Nature is the totality of the universe itself, of all processes, time, space, and all energy. We will go now to D, as in dandelion. We'll start with physics. Number 1, light years don't exist. This is proven by basic equal distance magnification. There are no galaxies, black holes, big or little bangs, Einstein crosses, galactic lenses, etc. as part of our small universe, relatively speaking small. Humans cannot see beyond an estimated 100,000 miles with their telescopes and so forth. Number 2, the main problem with virtually every single human being and the human race as a general whole is time, space, oriented ego, false self-identity, taken as real. It is not. We will go to number 3, spiritual. That we, ourselves, and the totality, the total universe exists, so to speak, at all, is the case at all. Absolute possible, absolute impossible, and beyond both. I'm going to move the camera. Hold on, please. Spiritual. This universe, or whatever it is beyond ineffable, beyond indeterminable, beyond non-knowing, beyond mind, beyond consciousness, beyond awareness, beyond infinity, beyond eternity, beyond supreme being, beyond God in any, every, and all sense or meaning, beyond physical, energy, non-energy, force, etc., beyond the beyond in all and every sense or definition, beyond spiritual, beyond states or the state of all states, beyond ultimate, beyond being and beyond non-being, beyond stillness and motion, beyond reference, beyond concepts, beyond words, beyond viewpoints, beyond perspectives, perceptions, beyond precepts, beyond percepts, beyond thought, thinking, feeling, beyond identity, beyond identifying, beyond possible, beyond impossible, beyond existence, beyond non-existence, beyond motion and non-motion, beyond energy and non-energy, beyond it, that which, such that, etc., beyond cause, effect, acausal, time, space. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching. Please share this video. Most of the things on this video are beyond many humans' comprehension and understanding. I already know this. I want to thank everyone once again, and subscribe, and have a very, very fine day.